Guys, we are on our way to Beautycon LA.
Yep.
Day 2.
Day 2.
Because we missed day 1.
Fuck yeah, we did.
Fuck it. We missed day 1, you guys. We got here. Well, first of all, we woke up really early. And we got out of Vegas.
Like 11?
So we got out of Vegas at 11, and then we got here.
Hella late.
5:30?
Like, yeah, 5:30.
Like around 5:30 because the traffic was insane crazy. So we got here really late, so we couldn't make it. So
good, so good. It's day 2. We here now.
I don't even care about the actual influencers. I really cared about like the free stuff that I missed on day 1, you know?
You're like, god damn, that whole free bag for like 6 months.
Yeah, I'm like, bro, like that's free makeup.
It was 6 months worth of makeup. I was gonna get another 6 months. It was gonna be a year.
Yeah, I told Jesus today that he has to act like he loves makeup so he can get me free stuff.
Yeah,
that
like,
way I have 2 bags.
I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. Let me get those makeups, my eyeshadows.
What do you know about makeup? Do you know what a highlighter is?
Yes.
What's a highlighter?
It goes right here.
Oh hell no. Tell me why I went to my aunt's puesto the other day and she was putting on highlighter and she put it like all over her cheek area. Like there was highlighter all here. I was like, bro, that's not where it goes. We came to McDonald's to grab some coffee and some oatmeal, and then we're gonna head over there.
Yes.
940.
There you go. I look back, it's not the same.
Jesus is obsessed with Fuzi too.
Thank you so much.
I feel naked without my nails. ¿A quién se parecía?
Who?
Ella. ¿No le viste la cara?
No,
Or the hair?
No, ¿quién se parecía? ¿Quién? ¿Quién se parecía?
So yeah, we're on a 30-minute drive or 40-minute drive?
20-minute drive. It's like 25 minutes.
25 minutes?
Yeah.
So we're on a 25-minute drive. So we want to go. Are we gonna go to Fuzi's thing, or are we just gonna watch it live?
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see after.
We'll see like how Beautycon is popping today. Kim Kardashian is there today, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be busy. I mean busy. I feel like I'm like working.
It's gonna be
packed. It's gonna be super packed.
Like
yeah.
crazy packed.
I'm only excited to see Nicole Guerrero and Sebas and Karen. Those are like the 3 people that I'm dying for. Like I don't even care about Kim Kardashian.
I do.
Hater high key.
Hello. Here's one iced coffee.
The fruta en vaso that they always have in like every corner. Look. Oh. You know?
Yeah.
If you guys are from LA, then you guys know the fruta. In cada esquina they sell like they have a fruta stand. You know? Does that make any sense? Left on Encinitas. Like Silmar would be like what, like North Las Vegas over there? Not obviously North Las Vegas, but like North Las Vegas, Henderson, like what is that? Like a city?
Right here?
Oh my god, I'm sound so stupid. I'm gonna cut that, but right?
Yeah. No, Las Vegas.
So we just got our coffee, guys. We got a McDonald's iced coffee.
And the fruit oatmeal.
And we got a oatmeal. It's right here. I look hella janky. My outfit, same outfit as yesterday because why not? And I'm obviously representing.
Where's that?
Representing my shirt.
Oh.
What? You don't think I'm representing?
Yeah, but
hello.
you were like.
People gonna see the YouTube. They're gonna be like, oh girl, what is that? What are those?
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto the I-5 South
Road.
in 1000.
Feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go.
Okay guys, we are scrolling through, I don't even know where we're at, but Jesus just found where Fuzi Tube lives, right?
Yep.
No, we're gonna call him Yusuf. Okay, so Jesus just found the apartment where Yusuf lives.
Yep.
Better known as
Mr. Fuzi Tube, but Yusuf Urakat.
Fuzi Tube. Yeah, we found his apartment. Man, you guys, there's a Trader Joe's inside the apartments. Like, That's when you know. That's when you know. You just know. And then they have a Starbucks in fucking every corner, bro. Like one right there, one right there.
For real, huh?
So they have a Trader Joe's inside their apartments. They have a theater. They have 2 Starbucks like right there next to each other. They have a Wells Fargo. I know, probably it's actually really nice here, eh? I hate LA, but Chipotle, McDonald's, they have everything. Oh.
Okay. Y aquí cuestan pinches 3,000.
$3,000?
I bet you, you know.
For a 1-bedroom, probably.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know, like some like that's what I'm saying. Like some price like that. It's crazy, huh?
And they're hella like ugly here. Like they have no type of like modern look to them. Y están en medio de casas bien like feas, you know. These look a little bit better. I don't know if it's the color.
Yeah, it's how they made it.
You guys, guess what happened? I want to cry. Wilcox. They're cute, huh? Those aren't tan feos.
Yeah.
So, tell them what happened.
You don't know what happened.
You tell them what you did.
I did. You did.
You guys, so online, Google. Oh, okay, this is Google's fault. What? Are you supposed to go in here?
Yeah.
Where are you going, bro? I think it's taking you somewhere else. Hey, is it now taking you to La Chula's house, maybe? Shit. This bitch likes to play around with us. So, this is Google's fault, okay? It's already 1 p.m. Like, it just hit 1 p.m. We were supposed to get there at, like, I don't know, an hour ago.
Yeah.
Rihanna's hairstylist, you, okay.
Oh, lemonade
Oh,
stands.
they're selling lemonade, bro. We should have bought some.
That's Fusi. I mean, Gary
That's
B.
Gary V's. Damn, little girl selling lemonade, but there's like no people walking here. It's like in
Damn,
the
it looks
middle.
like no one lives here. Look, it looks like they have never lived here. Look.
But I bet you this is like the nicer area. I don't even know where we're at, to be honest. Anyways, Google told us to go to 1161 Vine Street. And resulta que that's not the address for Beautycon LA. Beautycon LA is like 30 minutes away. We're 30 minutes away. Like, Google took us someplace else. Bright side is, Jesus got to meet Fuzi's house, apartment, whatever.
North Rossmore Avenue.
So yeah, we're 30 minutes away. Google took us somewhere else, so we're kind of lost right now. We'll eventually get there. They close at 6, so hopefully we get there. And there's something in my eye. See? There's
Take the
something
next
right
right
now.
onto North Rossmore Avenue.
I really think I need a limpia de huevo, or maybe not with huevos, but maybe some ramas or something. Cause, bro, everything goes out wrong.
What? Like
Yesterday, I didn't make it to day 1.
Pure vibes.
Today, shit's going wrong all the time. And Google, like, who Google de brujería on me? Somebody did brujería on me.
Maybe it did, right?
You guys, so we'll catch you guys if we get there. We'll see you guys later. Alright, guys, we are here. Yes! Yes. Oh, look at this bitch is filled with makeup. Hi, baby girl. Oh, I like her eye makeup. Did she say hi to a taxi? So, we are here. Están vendiendo fruta allá afuera. Shit, badass. Where are you going? Have el paletero man right there. Hello. And then they have hot dogs on the other side.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm telling him hello. Who comes in heels to something like this? Look at all the fresh fruit right there. Yes. Ooh, la señora de los hot dogs, mira. Oh my god, I can't wait. Look at all these girls. Girl nation, boy nation. There's too many people. Oh, mira, las señoras van retacadas con maquillaje, bro. Oh my god. I'm living for the free stuff. We got here. It was a mission, but we got here.
It was a big time mission.
Look at baby daddy right there. Bam. Looking all cute. Let's do this, guys. Ah!
Right here.
Let's go. Stop. with a win-win.
Beauty matters.
Here, guys, we gotta get free stuff now. Se ve chido, ¿verdad?
Yeah, it's a light.
Or whatever. I know, I swear I'm about to do another dance routine, but I'm not gonna go crazy on y'all like that anymore. How's everyone feeling? Good? What about y'all over here, huh? You guys, when I tell you I have so much crazy stuff planned for this show.
I would go around to the side to someone at the cashier.
Ultimamente que mexe com a mente, quem tá presente, as novinhas ali, fica loucona e se joga pra gente. Eu falei assim pra ela. Vai com o bumbum tam tam, vem com o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum, vai com o bumbum, vem com o bumbum.
babe.
Hot dogs. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Hot dogs. Street hot dogs are the best. LA hot dogs are the best. We don't see this over there in Vegas.
That's Spotify.
El Sebas tiene que venir a probar los hot dogs.
You like it, babe? Is Tanya approved? Is Tanya approved?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thumbs up?
And it has like these seeds que se pueden comer. You guys, I'm having a maracuya. So I'm drinking a maracuya water, you guys. Have you guys tried this? It has like these semillas, but I guess you can eat them. I don't know, but it tastes really good.
It's bomb. It tastes like mango weird.
Mango and sandía.
No, not
mango
sandía.
es como naranja or something.
Yeah,
I
like
don't know.
orange. Y sigue la comedera, huh? Still eating.
Bro, I didn't get any free makeup, but look at this.
Second of the day.
Lady number 2 did it better.
The number 2?
They're not as burned. And like hers have cebolla morada. You guys know I love cebolla.
Damn.